I don't know. It's right there, I think. No, it should be behind. No, that's a firework. Oh no, to the right. I think that's the amber light coming up. Between Stater Brothers and the CBS sign.
That's cute.
You can see the smoke trail that it's leaving behind. The trail kind of stopped.
Oh, there.
Yes, it's higher. It's kind of right above the CBS sign if you go up a couple thousand feet.
You can really see those exhaust gases expanding there.
Yeah, as we get into thinner and thinner atmosphere.
Yep.
It's beautiful.
Visual confirmation of the thinning atmosphere as it pulls away from the planet. Look at that. Stage separation.
Stage 2 ignition. Jet pressure looks all up.
They're the fairings.
Yeah, you can see them fall away.
Look at that. We get a little jellyfish.
Oh, wow, that's so pretty. Just a little hint of a jellyfish.
Now's the time to go outside and see if y'all can see this, folks. So now we've gotten all the way through that fairing jettison, and we have a couple minutes until we get that second engine cut off. But the tracks of it, look at this.
Oh, man. What a great view.
It really is.
Yeah, so lightning will fire for a couple minutes, but we will see Seco, which is second engine cutoff, at T plus 8 minutes and 10 seconds.
So we've got just about 4 more minutes here. A lot of times we see the little ice sort of coming off. You see little pieces of ice and stuff like that. Remember, all this is chilled down, and ice does build up. I think it's little pieces of fog that it's taken with us. This looks like it's the forward-facing payload cam.
It is, I believe. That is a payload right up front, I think.
Excellent.
But yeah, all that ice gets nominally either melted on the way through the atmosphere or shaken off during flight to where that added mass isn't any hit to stage 2.
Makes good sense. It's something we see on a lot of launches.
Yeah.
Still tracking it down. I just love the colors on this shot. This really is one of the things, you draw a rocket as a kid, you have the pencil flame coming out of the bottom, right?
Yeah.
And once you get up there and there's no atmosphere to push that flame back into that sort of pencil rocket exhaust shape, it just goes sort of straight out the sides there.
It almost looks like one of those little comic book, kapow.
Nice.
It's kind of the shape it reminds me of.
So still have it from the ground, and we've got video from the vehicle there. coming up on T plus 6 minutes. And 6 minutes, 10 seconds. We've got about 2 minutes left in the burn of the Lightning engine.